Text messages are crucial when backing up your phone, especially with risks like virus attacks, accidental deletions, or device resets. In this video, we'll show you 4 simple ways to transfer text messages from your Sony Xperia to PC or Mac for safe backup. Let's dive in. Part 1. Transfer text messages from Sony Xperia to PC or Mac with Assistant for Android. To be honest, the easiest way to transfer text messages from Sony Xperia to computer is by utilizing the tool named Mobikin Assistant for Android. Step 1. Install Mobikin Assistant for Android. Download either the Windows or Mac version of Assistant for Android. According to your situation, install and run it on your computer. Then, connect your Sony device to the computer via USB cable. Step 2. Scan the device for the messages. All data types are shown on the left side panel. For this topic, go to Click SMS folder and the program will start to scan your phone to find out all text messages on this device. Step 3. Transfer text messages from Sony Xperia to computer. After the scan, preview and tick on the text messages that you want to backup and tap on Export button from the top menu to back up the selected text messages to the computer. Assistant for Android also provides you with one-click backup and restore feature that enables you to back up text messages completely with one click. To do this, you can tap on Super Toolkit Backup and get a list of files on your phone. Tick Messages and click Backup to save them to your PC. Part 2. Transfer SMS from Sony Xperia to PC with Android Backup and Restore. Mobikin also has another desktop tool called Mobikin Backup Manager for Android, which is designed to backup and restore Android phone data with one click. Step 1. Move your mouse to click the downloading icon above to install the Android Backup and Restore tool on your computer. Launch the program and get a USB cable to plug your Sony Xperia phone to the same computer. Step 2. Click on the backup option from the primary interface and move to tick the option of messages. If you don't like the default storage location, you can click Browser to choose the location you want. Step 3. Click the Backup button on the bottom right to backup text messages from Sony to PC. Please wait until you see the ending signal. Part 3. Download text messages from My Sony Xperia with Xperia Companion. Download and set up Xperia Companion. Choose Backup and Restore and click Start when the tool is downloaded. Connect Sony Xperia via USB. Select Backup, check Text Messages, and click Next. Prepare backup, name it, and choose the output folder. Then click Next to start the transfer. Part 4. Transfer messages from Sony Xperia to computer via SMS Backup and Restore. Step 1. Download and install SMS Backup and Restore on your Sony phone. Next, open the app on your phone and tap on the backup option from the screen. Step 2. Tick on text messages and rename it. Then, choose All Conversations or Selected Conversations Only and decide whether to include them or emojis or special characters. Step 3. Now, you can select a backup location to save the transferred text messages. Just choose Google Drive or Dropbox or Local Backup, and then click OK to close the backup location choosing dialog. Step 4. Finally, click Backup now to start the process.